Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Skrill as send money and transfer application in your device. So this is really gonna easy and short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So what you need to do, you need to go Google Play Store if you use Android phone, and go to App Store if you tap on the Google Play Store, and after that you'll get the interface of Google Play Store. So what you need to do, you need to tap here and type here Skrill. Okay, that's it, and then you'll find this app. So I can see, if you check the overview about this app, 4.3 rating out of 5, 185k reviews, 33 megabyte size of the app, and 10 million plus people already download this app. So this is digital wallet. So what you need to do, you need to tap on the install button. So it takes few moments to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.